Hello people and welcome back to the Prime Numbers YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to guide you through the process of customizing your PrimePort profile. Previously there was restrictions on the size of the cover photo you could upload, but I've had the devs remove these restrictions, so now you're all free to make your PrimePort profile very unique. Also, there's an important trick you might not be aware of, so make sure you pay attention during the video. Before we start, smash that like button and please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Right, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so first up, get yourselves logged into PrimePort by connecting your wallet to the website. Okay, so let's go and have a look at an NFT and see what the current situation is with people's profiles. Okay, so if we click on this NFT, and as you can see, owned by, and this person has no profile picture or avatar as they call it. So if we go and have a look at his profile or her profile, their profile, you will see that it's just got the bog standard PrimePort cover photo and the PrimePort logo, and there's no other information whatsoever. So what we're going to do is, if you go to edit profile, and here you will be able to add certain things. So first of all, this is where the restrictions have been removed. So now if you just click edit cover photo, select whichever photo you want, and now you'll see that it's very easy to add a cover photo. So we'll do the same with the avatar, and there we go. So we've uploaded the avatar, and now if I just pop my username in and a little bio, I love Prime Numbers. So the email address is very important, in the sense that if you've put your NFTs up for sale and someone makes an offer on your NFT, then you're going to get an email saying you've received an offer, but you're only going to get that if you filled out this email address section. And then you can add your social medias, blah blah blah, enter all that, and then update profile. The data has been saved successfully. So now if we go to my profile, look at that, you've got a nice cover photo, you've got your avatar. Right folks, that wraps up today's video, and you're now able to go and make your PrimePort profile as unique as you want. Get your photos added, pop your email address in so you receive emails regarding offers that get made on your NFTs, and make your profile stand out from all the others. Lastly, make sure you subscribe for more useful videos about the Prime Numbers ecosystem and the XDC network. Follow us on social media, all of which are on the screen right now, and I'll catch you in the next video. Talk to you later.